In
Not.
sequential, do that in sequentially. Sequentially means what? One after another. First memory, first
Yes.
slot, second slot, then immediately third slot. Like that, sequentially it is stored. Generally, you may get confused. If I am going with a 3 by 3 matrix, how it looks? See, wait. I will draw one diagram here. You can understand. A table. I will draw one table. Insert a table. Yeah, here it is. Can you see Word document here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, for example. Okay, I will make it bigger. Wait.
Okay.
This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Some elements are there inside. Believe that I'm not formatting this. Roughly, I'm writing. For example, so here one is there. Element one is there. Here 5 is there. Here 8 is there. Here some other element is there. Here also some element.
Oh.
Okay, fine. Like this, all the elements are there. Okay, fine. Now see, now see, this is zero position. Okay, zero
Yes.
position, and then this is first position, and then
Second.
second. Okay, fine. This side also it will be like that now. Wait.
Yes, sir.
And here, this side also. I mean to say here, coming down, come down here. It's not coming down. Wait, I will size it. I will size it. Now it can come. This is one. Two has gone somewhere. This is two. Zeroth column, first column, second column. Okay. Yeah. It is organized like that. So here also, here, wait, I will size it otherwise. Yeah. Here also, this is going to be first row or not? I mean, zeroth row. I can call it as zeroth row.
Yes.
And first row, you can call in any way, no problem. But remember that. See, what is the position of one, the element one? 0 by 0. Is it not? 0 by
Yes. Yes, sir.
zeroth row and
Zero.
zeroth column. 0 by,
Column.
can I write like this? 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is the
Zero.
first element position. 0 by 0. Second element is present in
0 by 1.
0 by 1. 0 by 1. 0 by 1. Okay, fine. The next one is, you had to remember this very well. 0 by
Yes, sir.
0 second, 0 by 2. Now here comes, sorry, this is 0, not Q. 0 by, yeah. Now here, this one, what about this? 1 by
1 by
0.
0.
1 by 0, exactly. 1 by 0. Okay, fine. Next one, 1 by 1. The position
1.
is 1 by 1. Okay, fine. Next one is, the position is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 na? 1 by
Yes.
2 is the position of the element. This one, 2 by 0, isn't it? 2 by
Yes.
0. Fine. Next one is going to be 2 by 2.
2.
Is 2 by 2. Yes, fine. The next one is 2 by, sorry, 2 by 1. Na? This one,
2
sorry.
by 1, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. 2 by 1. Next one is 2 by 2. Fine. 2 by 2.
2.
Yeah, exactly. So these are the positions you have to remember. But in computer memory, inside memory, they are not stored like this. As if we are seeing here, we may be
Yes.
getting an idea, we may be getting an impression that as if it is stored like this. Don't believe that. This is not the way it is stored. It is stored only sequentially. It is getting stored sequentially only like this. First it is stored like this, 0 by 0.
0.
Okay, next comma,
Yes.
next sequence,
0.
1 by 1. These are the memory slots, you know. Otherwise, I will do one thing. I will do one thing here. See what I am doing. How the memory is stored. You want to understand this. How many elements are there? Tell me. 3 by 3 matrix means how many elements are there?
9.
9 elements. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. See, 9 slots are there, na? Memory slots, 9. First
Yes, sir.
element is present here. What is the first element? 1. What is the second element? 5.
5.
See,
Yes.
5 na? Yeah. Next element is 8.
8.
Next is 0. Next is 7. Next is 9. Please remember like this. The memory is stored in computer, inside computer, like this only,
Okay.
like this only.
Yes.
But this is for our readability. This structure is for our understanding, for our
Yes.
readability only. But inside memory, inside computer memory, it is stored as a sequence of elements. So this diagram represents inside computer's memory.
Computer memory.
Inside computer's memory, it is stored something like this. Computer's memory, it is stored sequentially. Stored in which way? That is important.
Sequence.
Sequentially it is stored. It is stored in sequentially only. So now tell me, if I close first row and second column like this, if I close, these two are hidden. Now what can you see? Tell me. I close it first row and second row. What can you see?
158.
1D or not? Is it 1D or not?
Yes, sir.
If I close first row and second row, it is a 1D. So this is 1D. I can write here 1D.
Yes.
Size it, otherwise cannot come outside. It seems here. Otherwise I will write here. So it is 1D, isn't it? 1D.
Yes.
Next, if I close first row, I mean 0th row and second row. Now you can see only middle row or not?
Yes, sir.
That is also 1D or not?
Yes, sir.
1D, yeah. How many 1Ds are there in this diagram? How many 1Ds are there? If I close first two,
6
what 6? If I close these two rows,
columns.
no, not columns, not columns. I am talking about only rows, only rows.
Okay.
If I close only these first two rows, how many 1Ds are there? One more 1D is there or not?
One.
One
Yes,
more
sir.
1D is
Second.
there? Third. I mean second, yeah. Second row means, I mean, starting from 0, na? That's why it is second. Yeah.
Yes.
So it is one more 1D. So totally how many 1Ds are there? Count. 1D. This is 1D. So see, I will highlight otherwise. Is 1D or not? This is another 1D or
Yes.
not? This is another 1D or not? One dimensional array I am talking about.
Yes.
So how many one dimensional arrays are there? 3 one dimensional arrays are there. So a can I make a statement like this? Wait. I will make one statement like this. See what I am doing. I will make one valid statement like this. A multi-dimensional array, a multi-dimensional array is a what? Is a combination of several what? Is a
One
combination of several?
direction.
Yeah,
Line.
exactly. That point you have to make a mention whenever you are writing exam or something like that. If somebody asks you, you can also tell like this: a multi-dimensional array is a combination of several combination of I will give notes later on, don't worry.
Yes.
Multi-dimensional array is a combination of several
One
1Ds.
nine.
Several 1Ds. Is it not? You take 4
Yes.
by 4 also, or 4 by 5, 4 by 6, any matrix, any multi-dimensional array you take, it is a combination of several one-dimensional arrays only. And what about this point? This is also very important interview question. Don't
Yes.
neglect. In exams also it is very important. Interviews also it is very important. Inside computers memory, they will ask you, interviewer may ask you after 4 years of your BTech. So how in C language
Yes.
or C++ or Java, any programming language or Python also. So how is the memory stored
Yes.
in a multi-dimensional array? What is the answer for that?
Sequential.
Sequentially. Whether it may be 1D
Yes.
or 2D or 3D or any Ds. The memory always is stored like this only. You can take a piece of paper and you can draw and show it to interviewer also like this. Then he will give full marks to you.
Yes.
This is only for our readability. Okay? Please understand. This is only
Okay.
for our readability, not for your computer. Your computer is going to read like this only. Based on positions,
Yes.
the first position, 0 0 0 position. Next one is 0 1 position. Is it not?
0 1.
Yeah. Next one is,
Yes.
then
0
next one
2.
is 0,
0,
0, 2 position, 0 by 2
0,
position.
2.
Next
Yes,
one
sir.
is 0 by 3,
1, 0.
0 by 3, 0, sorry, 0,
1,
1 by
0.
1 by 0, exactly, 1 by
Yes, sir.
0. Next one is 1 by 1, 1 by 1, na?
Yes.
Next one is 1 by 2,
Yes.
next one is 2 by 1, 2 by 1, na? Next one, wait.
Yes, sir. 2 by 1.
Yeah, yeah. Next one is 2 by 2 by
1.
1, exactly, 2
2
by
by
1.
1.
Next one is, so it has
2
gone,
by 2.
wait. This is 2 by 1. Next, 2 by
2.
2 by 2. Last one is,
2 by 3.
no, 2 here is 3. We went wrong somewhere. 2 by 0, first one. 2 by
Yes.
0, na?
Yes.
I started from 0, that's why. Don't get confused. It is 2 by 1. And last one is
2 by 2.
2, exactly. That is how memory is stored in a computer. This is the way memory is stored inside computer. That is the way of storing memory. Okay, that's it. Shall I delete all this portion? Now we will get to some applications, some programs we will do. And yesterday I was talking how it is organized. I told na. Straight away we will do some programs. Wait, open. We'll go with arrays. Yeah, here it is. First one-dimensional array. We will do some applications. This is two-dimensional array, multi-dimension. Wait. Array. This is single dimension. We will do some other programs also. This is a basic program, very simple.
Yes, sir.
Here, AR of 3. What is the size of array? 3 elements are there.
3.
What are those elements? 10, 20, and 30. So
30.
what is an array? An array is a collection of elements of similar data type.
Similar data
Yeah,
types.
exactly. So what is the data type of these elements? Int.
Int.
Int is the data type. And what are the elements present? 10, 20, and
10,
30.
20,
And
30.
what is the name of the array? AR. AR is the name
AR.
of the array, na? Which I have taken.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So which element is present in AR of 0 position? Tell me.
And tens.
10 is present. In AR of first position, 20 is present.
20.
In AR of second position,
30.
so what I am saying, AR of 0. So AR of 0, what should come? 10 should come now.
10.
See,
Yes.
10 should come. Yeah, perfect. Now if I write AR of 1, 20. AR of 2, if I write AR
30.
of 5, what will happen? Sorry, not there. Here. Sorry. Here. Mouse is not functioning all of a sudden. Just a minute. I will close it and again open. At times when I am opening, it is not happening. Only for DOS, it is not happening like this. Wait. Again, I will open that. Can you see? Is it loaded into your memory? We are discussing about
Yes,
this
sir.
program. Huh? Yeah, this is the program which we are discussing. So if I write here, 0 is there, 1 is there, possibilities are there for 0, 1 and 2 only. But if I write 3, what will happen? What will happen? See, what is that?
0.
So invalid number it is printing. If I write 9, what will happen?
Yes.
See, again same result. Is not some unknown value
Yes.
it is showing because it is not there, na? That is the problem. So give accurate values. You cannot grow here itself because size is fixed with 3 only. Is it not? Even if you write 5
Yes.
also, nothing will happen. Even if you write 7, no problem. But if I write here AR of 9 or AR of 6, what will happen? Let us see. 0, same result. So 6 is not there really. The capacity is 7. But how many are there? Only 3 elements are there. And indexing
3
starts from,
elements.
but indexing starts from 0 and set
Zeros.
size minus 1. That is 2. Maximum
Yes.
capacity is
2.
2 only. Yeah. Now we will do another program. Students program we will do. Okay. This is a program to find total and average. Total and average. How do you find? See, hash include stdio dot h, and then hash into, just a second, I will switch on light and come. Fine. It's conio.h, conio.h, and then main. Keyboard you have to enter. Okay, marks.
Yes.
Not like initializing, you have to enter from keyboard. So let me take number of subjects a student is going to appear. It should be known na. N is the number of
Yes.
subjects. Let us assume N has number of subjects. And then one for loop is required na. Generally, you remember
Yes,
that
sir.
in solving programs also, if one dimensional array is given, most of the cases, not all the times, most of the cases, if one dimension, if a program is asked on one dimensional array, one for loop will come. Okay,
Okay,
if
sir.
two dimensional array is asked, two for loops will come, one inside another, like that, outer loop, inner loop.
Yes, sir.
If three dimensional array is asked, three for loops will come. Normal cases, generally, not all the times, majority cases. So I'm taking I for the sake of for loop, and uh, and the number of subjects I have taken. Okay, fine. But array I have to take na array marks, MER
Yes.
marks. Size is fixed. I mean maximum capacity is say 10. I am taking. It depends. I'm taking 10 means it cannot go beyond 10. Size cannot go beyond
Yes.
10. Okay, fine. Now total is required now. Tot or otherwise total. And average will can be decimal now. That's why I'm going with float average, float average. Okay, fine, fine. Now CLR
We can
start.
leave the marks, no, sir.
Which one?
In that marks array, we can also not specify size, no, sir.
No, while declaring size is mandatory. While declaring, I have declared or initialized.
Declare.
When you are declaring, size is mandatory. If you don't give size, what will happen? I will show you. Wait, let us check that also. Before that, I have to enter number of subjects through keyboard or not. Hmm?
Yes.
So how to write that? Printf
Printf.
enter enter sorry en enter number of subjects, number of number of subjects to appear. Okay, fine. Now through keyboard I will give some number, means scanf I have to write. Scanf percentage d na, yeah,
Yes, sir.
percentage d, yes. Address of, to which address it has to reach? N address.
And
N or not? We
yes.
thought of N na? Yeah. Now that is over, one job is over. Now let us draw. Before drawing I want to display like this, a statement like this, printf, and let me take total as 0 initially. Let me initialize fixed. These kind of programs generally we design total
Yes.
as 0. Then yesterday also we have seen some
Will.
formulas. Some is equal or some
Plus
plus,
is.
yeah, some plus is equal to
Yes.
marks, something like that. So here also see. So what should we do? Enter marks, enter marks. We have to keep on entering marks through keyboard, no? But
And
uh, more subjects we are assuming, maybe n, maybe
yes.
maximum capacity is 10. It may be one or two or three or four, who knows? It depends upon students. Different
Yes,
students
sir.
will have different exams, different
Marks.
subjects. So
Yes,
enter
sir.
marks,
Subject.
enter marks, yes. So I'm going to enter marks. Now I have to take a for loop. Array, no, whenever you are discussing with array, you have to take a for loop. So int already I have taken. I is equal to, I starts from 0. Hmm? I starts from 0, comma, I is less than, what is the
And
size which is given? N I can
and
give, N I can give, yes. N I can give, okay, fine. Then I plus plus, every time it has to increment, okay, fine. Now inside that, see what I'm doing. Through keyboard only you accept marks or not? Tell me, through keyboard or not? Hmm?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the function? Scanf. Scanf.
Scan.
Yeah. Percentage D. Percentage D. and it has to reach the address of what? What is the array name? Marks, na?
Marks.
Marks
Yes.
of I
Yes.
I will take every time some increment. First time zero position it will enter. For example, if I type first subject marks as, if total subjects are 3, for example, first subject marks will be reached to marks of 0. Next time
Marks of
marks
zero.
of
Yes.
1. Next time marks of 2. Is there
Two.
any chance for 3? Is there any chance of 3?
No, sir.
Because I is less than what?
N.
N is what?
N.
3. I am typing 3 through keyboard. Here I am typing, let us
Yes.
assume that I am typing 3 to keyboard. So what could be n value? 3, na? So n is
Yes,
3
sir.
or not? N is 3 means, now here let us come to for loop. How many times I will revolve? How many times I will iterate?
Three.
Iterate. We call that as iteration. Iteration means
Yes.
repetition. These are loops concepts. In loops we use the words like iteration. Iteration means repetition. So first I will start from 0, success. Next I will become 1 because of this increment operator, Now I will
Yes.
become 1. That is also true. Test the condition. True means you got inside. And last time I will be 2. That is also true. So I can take, what are the correct
Three.
values for I? 0, 1 and 2.
Two.
Yeah, 0, 1 and 2. So 3 times it will iterate. Loop will iterate. First time if I type 95, 95 will reach the address of marks of 0. Next time marks of 1.
Yes.
Next time marks
One.
of 2. Any chance for marks of 3?
No.
No, because n value is 3, I is less than 3. I will tell you, wait, I will explain that. Wait. Understood or not?
Yes.
Yeah. So through keyboard, I entered marks. Then what to do? Total formula I have to use. Is it not? So we will use the great formula like, what is that formula? So inside scanf, shall I put? Yeah. Shall I open with a brace here like this? Yeah. Multiple statements are there. If only one statement is there, braces are not
No
required.
names.
If multiple statements are there, braces are required.
Are
So
required.
I want to go with multiple statements. After scanning, I want to use one formula. What is that formula? Marks of, sorry, what is it? Total is equal to, or you can use shortcut assignment operator now, effectively.
Total
Plus is
plus
equal to,
equal.
marks
Marks of I.
I. Exactly, perfect. That is how we have to design. That is how we have to design. Done. Over. Now we have to display. You have to display. Wait. How to display? How to display? Printf.
Printf total.
Printf. Total marks. Average you are going to find. Now first, let us display total marks. Total marks colon double quotes comma.
Percentage.
No. What is the variable name? Total. Total na.
Total.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now I have to display, I have to find average. How to find average formula? AVERAG, average is equal to what? Total by
Three.
typecast operator is required or not? Float is required
Yes.
or not?
Required.
Uh, Float and then total.
Total
Total. We were
by
discussing
three.
about typecast operator only in the last class, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Total by n. Na? We don't know. N depends na.
Yes,
It
sir.
is not conformed
And
with the 3. We don't know. That's why right n. That's good. Now we have to display that also. How to display? Printer average obtained. AVE or average obtained is equal to, average obtained is equal to, what is the format specifier? I forgot specifier here also. You are not telling.
percentage.
Uh, is D. What about here? Percentage F.
F.
F, exactly. And double quotes, and double quotes, comma. Here you write, what is that variable?
Average.
Average. AVE. Right. That's it. Over. Program is over. Get CH. CH advanced. Let us check and then I will explain the program. I may go wrong at
Yes.
times now. Let me check one time. Then confirm. Then we will go ahead. Average program. is got C. Let us check. Success. Number of subjects 3. I am going only with 3. Enter marks 96. Again 9, because it is not in the loop. That's why one time only it will ask. Is it not?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
78. Otherwise, I will change code also. Wait. Now you got, but code looks clumsy.
Yes,
It
sir.
is not correct. We will arrange, we will shuffle little things. You can understand what kind of adjustments you have to make. Here slash n
For
is better.
slash and
Here slash n is
yes.
better option. And then
Yes.
better I write this statement inside for loop.
For
Not this. It has
yes.
to be really coming every time. Hmm. And cut it here and paste it inside for loop. That looks better. Yes, sorry. Don't execute like this. Paste. Yes. Now save it. Save it. Now let us run this program. You can click run also. Yeah. Number of subjects 3. Enter marks. I'm entering 89. Again it is asking, and this looks good now.
Yes,
This
sir.
code looks much better next time. Uh, Again 90, or say 92. 92. I want to get odd number. 9 plus 2, 11 now. Odd number. No, odd number even if I'm getting, if you divide, are you getting decimal? 11,
Yes, sir.
11 means, yeah, 9 3 is 27. 271. 271 means, yeah, yeah.
Decimal
You got total and you got decimal average also.
average.
This is perfect example. Now try to understand the program carefully. Execution starts from
Yes.
here. What is there in understood?
Yes, sir.
So we have taken enough number of variables. I told already why to take. My mouse is
Yes.
not working, but I try to explain. Uh, Enter number of, both the laptop mouse is not working. At times it is happening because only when I open DOS editor only it is happening. Maybe virus or something like that.
Yes.
Enter number of subjects. Yeah, I entered 3 subjects. Okay, fine. Now what is the I value initially? 0. 0 is less than, or 0 is less than n or not? N is 3 na? Just now we
Uh,
entered.
yes, sir.
So
Less
0
than an
is 0 is less than 3. True or false? True.
true.
True means what should happen? We should get inside. Once you get inside, what will happen? Enter
Enter
marks.
marks.
So first marks, what is that? First marks, 89 I entered. So
Marks
89
of
will reach
zero.
the address of, 89
Marks
is
of
going to,
zero.
address of marks of 0.
Zero.
Next time I will next, not incrementing. Before that, what will happen?
Total will
This will be expanded.
become
Total is equal to 89 because initially total is
yes.
0. Total is equal to total plus marks of 0. So total means 0. 0 plus marks of 0 means 89. 89 plus 0 will
Yes.
give you. Next, I will
89.
increment. So I takes 1. 1 is less than 3. True. So you can get inside again. Enter marks. Next time I entered 90. 90 will reach the address of marks of, what is the current value of I? 1.
One.
1 exactly. So address of marks of 1 it will take. It will be reaching. Next, total is equal to previous total is 89. 89 plus marks of 1. What is there in the memory of
90.
marks of 1? 90. 90 plus 89 it will do. Means
Yes.
how much? 179.
179.
179 will be the total. Next time 2. I will increment now. 2. Again 2 is also true
Yes.
because 2 is less than 3. True. We got inside. Okay, if I want to put is equal to here, what should be, what should I do? I should start from 1. Okay, try to
I
understand.
equal to
1.
yes.
If I write I is equal to 1, then how should I arrange this for loop? I is less
Or
than or
equal
equal,
to
or equal to n. That is the way. Last iteration I entered 92, I think, isn't it?
91.
I don't remember. 92 I entered.
91.
92 I entered to get odd number.
Okay.
uh, 92. If you give 91, you will get even number. Na? So 92 I entered. 92
Yes.
means total. Previously 179. 179 plus 92. How much?
271.
Whatever it is, you are getting that. Then no chance for 3. Is there any chance for 3? 3 is
No, sir.
failing. 3 is failing or not?
Fail.
So come outside, out of the loop. Now what is the ultimate total left here in the final
One
iteration?
271.
That is displayed. And then, this step, I know, already I explained
Yes, sir.
this typecast operator. That's how it works. That is how it works. Just a minute. I close and now it is working again. No, it is not working. No, it is moving, but wait. Again, I will open. Don't worry. Yes, 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 yes. Can you see? Can you see? Now let
Yes,
us
sir.
move to the next application. So, one dimension understood now perfectly. This is the best
Understood, sir.
program for one dimensional array. Now we will go with the next application. This is very simple. Already we have done this. Huh? Next one. Next one is average. Just now we have done it. Arithmetic. What is this? That is different. Wait. Matrices type of programs are there. We will do that. Yes, matrix addition program. This is, let me execute. Way back I have done this. That's why let me check whether it is correct or not. Enter the number of rows. I want to find 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. Enter the element first position. 1 I am entering. Next, 5 I am entering. Next, 2 I am entering. Next, 4 I am entering. Now see, sum of upper triangle elements. You got it or not?
Yes.
Enter the number of columns 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means upper triangle. What is there in upper triangle? Only 5 is there, na? 1.
Yes.
0 by 1 position, what is there? 5.
5.
5 is the upper triangle, isn't it? 1, 5,
Yes,
2,
sir.
4. 1, 5, 2, 4 means upper triangle, only one element is there. That is 5. We will go with better one, more than this. Uh, Before that, addition of matrix is there. I let me go on explaining that one. Then I will come back to this one because that is a basic one. First, you should know that somewhere it is there. I guess. Yeah, maybe this. This is what. Set the elements. Let me check once. Yeah, this is also a different one. Some of the elements only I have done. I think. Wait. Simple addition you can do. I think.
Yes, sir.
Directly we will do with some diagonal elements. Directly I have done these programs. Simple addition you can do, I believe. Addition is not there. I think I have not done. Okay, fine. Multiplication I have done. Toughest one I have gone with. Okay, no problem. We'll do with this one first. Understood the logic, na? Understood the output, na? Now you will see the logic
Yes,
of
sir.
this. So what I have taken, see how many variables I have taken here? Two variables. Why? It is a two-dimensional array, na? Multi-dimensional
Yes,
array,
sir.
na? One I is not
And
enough. I have taken,
rows and columns.
yeah, that's why I have taken two variables, I and j. So, this is ith row, this is jth column.
Column.
Yeah. Now rows and columns. Okay, fine. Maximum size, you can take some big size, no problem. Don't take small size for this. Okay. Now sum. Same formula. We have to use sum also. Now rows, columns. I have taken two other variables. Okay, fine. Why I have taken rows and columns? To accept from keyboard. First job, what we have done? It asked. The machine is asking. Enter number of
Number
rows.
of
I
rows.
type it through keyboard. No. Similarly,
Yes.
this one also I type it through keyboard or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
After doing that, what happened? Accept the elements in matrix. Okay, I accepted or not? So first, whatever I enter, it will take. For example, I have given 2 in the past. I is less than 2. True or false? 0 is less than
True.
2. Same previous loop is there now. We have done one
Yes.
dimensional array program. Same loop is there. So, but you have to
Yes.
believe that this is the outer loop. Inner loop is also there now. Inner loop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in the outer loop, what is the value of I? 0. 0 is less than 2. True. Don't
2.
forget, I value is 0. Just like, see, how to
Yes.
remember this is nothing but very simple. See, for example, uh, college or house, whatever it is, gate will be there, outer gate will be there, inner gate will be there, na? For example, if
Yes.
outer gate is open, then you go to inner gate, so classes will be going on. So I, this is the outer one. Outer one will be zero only, but you are inside. Inside means inside first complete the truth value. So once you go to class, first period is over, second period is over, third period is over, fourth is over, fifth is over, sixth is over. After 6 periods only you come outside or not.
You come out, sir. Yes.
Outside means inner loop will be cancelled. Then only you come outside. Next day I will increment. So next day also you
Yes.
can come inside. Next day also 6 periods will be continued. Again you think in that way as far as for loop is
Yes, sir.
concerned. So if the course once is completed, then you cannot get inside now. 4 years BTech is
Yes.
over. You need not get inside. You come out of that totally. Okay, so like that this for loop will run. So initially I is 0. 0 is less than how much?
Rows.
What is row's value?
Two.
Row's value is
Two.
2.
Two.
Yeah, 2 means 0 is less than, or I will take
Two.
3 for example, otherwise I will take 3. 3 means 0 is less
Okay.
than 3. You got inside. Again J is also 0 now.
Yes,
0
sir.
is less than columns. What is columns? That is also 3. I typed.
Three. Yes.
3 by 3. True, na? Getting inside. Enter your element. So how it is organized? See, A of percentage D. First percentage D is I value.
I.
What is the I value? 0, na?
Zero.
Yes, yes. Second percentage D is J value. What is J
J.
value?
J
It
is
is
also
also,
zero.
yes, 0.
Zero.
So 0 by 0, it will be added. Whatever you type from keyboard. For example, if I enter 10, 10 will be present in A of 0 by 0 position.
Zero.
Yeah. So that's what I'm going to display. For example, here. A of 0 by 0. I type 10. 10 will reach the address
Yes.
of, here only for display
A of
purpose.
zero
Display,
by zero.
enter the element, study this, enter the element A of
Element.
0 by 0.
Zero
So
by
I enter
zero.
10. 10 will reach the address of A of
Zero
0
by.
by 0. Next time I enter. Next time what is the values? I is 0 only, but J will be 1.
Yes, sir.
A of 0 by 1. Next time A of 0 by
Zero
2.
by two.
Because 3 by 3 matrix na 0, 1, 2 are true. Next, no chance for 3. Is it not?
It will become.
Ah,
It will fail and again will come
go
to
to
first.
upper loop. Upper loop,
Yes.
outer loop. That is the outer loop.
Outer
That is,
loop.
yeah, next year. Means first year BTech is over, next year. So again, I will increment now. I will take,
Yes.
I will take 1 this
I.
time. Again,
One.
true. So I value 1. Don't forget. I is equal to 1. 1 I am saying repeatedly.
One.
Now J again starts from 0, first period only. So 0, true.
Yes.
So next time what will happen? How many times it will iterate? 3 times again. But
Yes.
I value is always 1 in this case.
One.
A of 1 by 0, 1 by 1, 1 by 2.
One by one. One by two.
Next time again 3 fails here. Again I will be incremented to 2 this time.
Two.
So 2 is correct. So 2 of 0, 2 of 1, 2 of
Two
2.
of two.
All the elements are displayed. After displaying all the elements, what is going to happen? Now you come here. Initially, sum is initialized to, I told na, for these kind of
Zero.
programs, yeah,
Yes, sir.
same formula. See how many times we are using same formula repeatedly. So how it works? See, I is equal to 0,
Zero.
and what is that? I is less than rows, I plus plus, same for loop. Again I am drawing condition for upper triangle. See what is the condition? If I is less than 0, see 0 by 0, I asked you to remember the slots.
Yes, sir.
How the slots are? 0 by 0, 0 by 1, 0 by 2. Next,
Zero.
next what? 1 by 0, 1 by
One
1,
by
1
zero.
by 2.
One by one. One
In
by
all
two.
these cases, I is less than Z. Then only upper triangle will come or not. See that? You just form, if
Yes.
you are having rough paper, you just do that. I in the beginning of the class I have given three 1Ds, that table I have
Yes.
taken 3 by 3 table. We just check that 0 0 0 1 means which is increasing, I is less than J or not. J is increasing
Yes,
or
sir.
not? First 0 by 0. Next 0 by 1 means J increase
1.
or not?
J
I is
increase.
less or I is less or not? So in those cases
Yes.
only you will get sum. Sum is equal to sum plus whatever the element present in that location means upper triangle it will be added. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I think you may be you may feel difficult here. You try to understand here carefully.
Understood, sir.
Understood? If you are having
Yes, sir.
white paper and pen, you can draw on the paper something. You can draw 3 by 3 matrix positions. Then you can understand. Immediately write your positions there. Are you having piece of paper and a pen?
Yes, sir.
You please scribble 0 by 0. Next 0 by 1. Next, based on that you tell whatever I ask. You tell. Take one matrix also. Any elements you take. You take any elements. Write the positions. Then you can understand that. Then you can understand that. Doing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Done, sir.
Now tell 0 by 0 means I is equal to J, first position.
Yes.
Will it come inside? No,
No,
because
sir.
I should be less than J. Next you come to the right hand side, next element. What is the position?
0 by 1.
0 by 1 means true or not?
True, sir.
True means you have to come inside. Inside if you are coming, sum
Yes,
is
sir.
0. 0 plus E of 0 by 1. What is the element you have
Yes,
taken?
sir.
What is the element?
1.
1
1.
you have taken? Okay, fine. 1 plus 0 is 1. Huh? Next also
Yes.
true now.
Yes.
0 by 2. Next.
2.
0 is less than 2.
Yes.
True. So 0 by 2, what is the element which you have taken there?
2,
What is
sir.
the element? 2. 2 plus
2, sir.
1, 3.
3.
Like that
Yes,
it
sir.
will be. Uh, like that it will happen. Understood that? You can compare
Yes, sir.
any element. The condition will be satisfied. So you are getting finally once all the conditions are satisfied, final sum is registered in the memory now. That you are going to
Yes,
display
sir.
out of the loop. Once you come outside, that final sum will be displayed. That's how it is
Display.
executed. Able to understand? Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yeah, that's why. See, even if you take 3 by 3 matrix, see what I am doing. 3 by 3. First, I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4. For easy readability, I am giving 9 elements like this. 9 elements will be there now. In 3 by 3 matrix, how many elements will be there? 9 elements. In 2 by 2 in 2 by 2 matrix, how many elements will be there? 4 elements. Is it not? 2 by 2, 4. Just multiply. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. In 4 by 3 matrix, how many elements will be there? 4 into
12.
12. That's it. Simple logic. Now see, you got it? 11. We can add here
Yes,
as
sir.
well. If you are carefully watching this. Yes, that's it. Nothing great. Next. Shall I move to the next one? I'll send you all these programs later on. Don't worry. And then the next one. What is the next one? This one. What about this program about? Try to understand. Uh, Accept the element. Same for loop, na? Same logic. See,
Yes, sir.
rows,
Yes,
columns.
sir.
I am entering through keyboard. Same for inside for, and then enter the elements. All the elements I am entering,
Enter
and then
all the
addition of
elements.
all diagonal elements. How do you add diagonal elements? What is the logic? Please identify the logic. I is equal to. See that.
J.
I use it if
Yes, sir.
condition effectively or not. So what
Same.
are the elements added whenever I is equal to j? Means how many times if I take a 3 by 3 matrix, how many times I
3
is
times.
splitted with 3 j 3 times.
3 times.
When tell me 0 by 0,
0,
1 by
0.
1, 2 by
1
2.
by 1. 2 by
2 by
2.
2. Perfect. So if you add, see, same logic is applied here. Same logic
Yes,
is
sir.
received here. Then finally print
Understood.
it. That's it. Nothing great. You need not worry. I think you can get 100 out of 100 in C language. You should get. Huh? In 1 month you are learning already.
Yes.
You learned. You can easily get better marks here. But data structures is there. But it takes 1 more month. 1 month is not enough. Data structures is very important.
Okay.
Don't neglect that. Okay. In
Okay.
interviews also as a fresher, you are supposed to get those questions in data structures also. Very important topic. I don't know.
Yes.
You are in Chennai. I think Chennai syllabus. I don't know, but sure data structures will be also there. Okay, it will be there at some
Yes.
point of time. Don't miss that. Very difficult. And then matrix 3. What about this application? See, same logic, same logic.
Same
Up to
enter
here,
the
same, nothing
elements.
great. Addition of all elements. How to add all elements?
No.
Again, same for loop I have taken. See, same for loop. One more time. I have taken or not? Same or not?
Instead of accepting
Ah,
elements, we added them.
yeah, yeah. Instead of accepting elements, I just added. No condition is required because all the elements I
Yes,
have to
sir.
add. That's it. Nothing great. Is it not? Then
Yes.
finally displaying the sum. That's it. Nothing great. Fine. Next one. What is the next one? Fourth one. Let us see this. Let us see this. So up to here, nothing great, nothing great, nothing to worry about. But here, transpose of a matrix. Transpose. You know, transpose. Once you get the matrix,
Yes.
up to here it is up to here nothing great. Given square matrix is you are displaying that square
Yes.
matrix. Okay. Before that you entered whatever you entered, you displayed that. After that, find transpose. Here the logic is there. I have taken a temporary variable. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
No transpose, I think rows will become columns and columns will become rows. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I have taken it. For that to happen, you have to swap or not. Swapping is required or not.
Required.
Swapping is required. How to swap? You have to take a temporary variable. Temporary variable is taken. Year of
Yes.
first, for example, 0 by 0 is there. So you are starting from I is equal to 1, I is less than size, I plus plus, j is 0. Means what? First you are coming from, if you are having piece of paper, you just
One.
scribble, you can understand. I is started
Yes, sir.
from 1. 1 means second column you are starting. Is it not? Wait,
Yes.
wait, second row, sorry, second row. Second row
Second
na?
rows.
I is
Yes, sir.
second row. Yeah, exactly, second row. Second row is started. True. 3 by 3 I have taken. Okay, fine. Now J is 0. J is 0 means first column.
First,
0th column.
first
0th
column.
column is less than 1. True. So
Two.
So the elements are getting swapped or not by
Swapped.
this.
Yes,
You
sir.
know swapping logic? This is the
Yes,
logic,
sir.
taking a temporary variable. If you want to compare, you can easily understand. Like if you take one biscuits box and one chocolates box, how do you interchange the
Understood.
boxes? That logic is applied. Taking empty box, this is the empty
Yes, sir.
box. Using that, they are swapped. Once you swap, columns will become rows and rows will become columns or not.
Columns. Yes, sir.
So you are starting from which
I1.
column, which row? First row you are, I mean,
First.
first row you are
Second.
starting. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And then that's the logic. Finally, what is happening? Transpose you are displaying.
Uh,
Finally, the matrix is displayed. That's it. Let us check that once. Enter the size of matrix. I will take 2 by 2. I will take simply, you can understand easily. Enter the values of A. Size of matrix is 2. Okay. Enter the values A 2, 1, 3, 4. Change it or not? 2, 1, 3,
yes,
4.
sir.
Row is, column is becoming row. That's it. Is it not? Became or not?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Matrix multiplication. And still not over. So many programs we can do. Tomorrow we will see some more programs. What is the time now?
52, sir.
Just 10 minutes time is there. We will check one more program. See, matrix multiplication. You know, you are entering the number of rows and number of columns here.
Number of
M and
columns.
N.
Okay.
Yeah. So how many matrices are required for multiplication purpose? Addition you can do very
Two.
simple. Addition I am not telling. You can do, I think.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Yeah. So how many for loops will come in addition? First you have to enter first matrix. I'm talking
First
about
matrix.
addition before going into multiplication.
Yes.
First matrix to enter from keyboard. If you want to enter elements from keyboard, one for inside, another for is required. Huh? For
Yes,
second
sir.
matrix also, another time for inside for is
Again,
required.
two for.
Third time, logic. For logic, what is the logic? For example, in place of multiply, I will take add. Add I by j is equal to first I by j plus second I by j. Is it
Second
not?
I.
That is the third
Yes.
for loop. That is the for pair loop I will take now. How many pairs I have gone till now? Three pairs I have gone. What about the
3.
fourth pair? Fourth pair resultant. The result you are going to get now. That I have to display or not? For displaying
Yes, sir.
that, fourth for loop is required. Here also same thing, but logic is different. See, first for loop for what purpose? For entering the elements of first matrix. Second for loop for what purpose? Before that, how is a matrix confirmed for multiplication? You know, number of rows, number of rows, number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in
Number of rows.
second matrix.
Second matrix. Yes, sir.
That logic is there na. We applied same logic. N is not equal to P. What is that N? Here see N. It should not be
Column.
equal to P. N is columns na. Columns should not be equal to rows. I have taken. Means it is wrong
Yes,
na.
sir.
Wrong. This is the
Yes,
wrong
sir.
one. If you like that, you will get a
Yes.
message like this. What is the message? Tell me. Matrices with entered order
Matrix
cannot be confirmed for multiplication.
multiply it with.
Ah, if
Yes, sir.
matrix multiplication confirmation, how do you get number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the
Number of rows
second
in second
matrix.
matrix.
Now, if this is not true, then else path will be executed now.
Yes, sir.
So here else is correct or if is correct, tell me. If I take 3 by 3 matrix and
Uh,
both 3 by 3 matrices, if I take, else is correct now.
yes, sir.
N is not
Equivalent.
equal to P means it is wrong one. You have taken a wrong matrix. Then this will happen. Okay? Not
Yes.
conformable for multiplication. When rows or number of rows in first
Number
matrix is
of
not
rows
equal to
equal
the number of columns of second matrix.
second.
In 10th standard, you might have gone through in 11th and 12th also, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now else path. Else path will get executed now. If you take correctly, if the matrix is conformable for multiplication, you go with else path. Inside the else path, what I am doing? Enter the elements of second
Again,
matrix also.
sec.
Second matrix elements also I am entering because they
Yes,
are
sir.
conformable for multiplication. Then only you are supposed to enter the elements of second matrix.
Second matrix.
This logic is toughest one. This is the important logic which you have to remember. Three for loops will come. Okay. This is tricky
Okay.
code. So first C is equal to 0. Let us take 3 by 3 matrix. C is equal to 0. M is 3 na? True. Got inside. Here also true. You got inside. Once you got inside, K. K is less than P. What is
Eight.
that P? P is number of rows of first
Number of
matrix. So no,
second.
number of rows of second matrix. Exactly. Exactly.
Yes.
Uh, P is what? Number of rows and columns. Rows, yeah, rows. Number of rows, yes. So 0 is less than, for example, if I
Proof.
take 3, true. Now
True.
what will happen? This formula you have to remember. Please try to
Yes, sir.
understand this formula. Sum is equal to sum plus first of C by K into second of K by D. This formula you should understand, you should remember. Then only you can get the loop running. Okay?
Okay.
So if you can iterate this, obviously this is a little bit thinking is there here. You have to understand carefully. So first of C by K, what is C? 0. 0 position is there now.
Zeros.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is K? K is also 0. 0
Zero.
by 0. First matrix 0 by 0. If you are having piece
Yes,
of
sir.
paper, please write two matrices immediately. Two matrices and tell me whatever I ask. Please tell the positions for that. Then you can understand easily.
Yes.
Hmm. First of 0 by 0. What is that? Tell me. First of 0 by 0.
Zero.
Leave it down. Let me see. Yeah. First of 0 by 0. What is there? Which element you have taken? First of 0 by
One.
0. 1. Okay, fine. Second of 0 by 0 only. D
Zero.
also 0, K also 0.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the element? What is the element present in second
Second.
matrix? That is
Tens.
column wise we are taking, I think. Yeah. First of 0 by 0 into second of 0 by 0. What is the output?
Tens.
See, 10. 10 you are
Yes.
getting in sum.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next, K will increment. So K will become 1, true. Now again come back. First of 0 by 1. First of 0 by 1, what is there? Tell me.
Stop 0 by 1. 4.
4. Into second of 1 by 1 by 0. Second of 1 by 0. What is there? Tell me.
Second of 1. 1
K
by
is
0.
1 na? K is incremented na? 1. K of 1
Yes.
by 0. What is there?
11th.
You just multiply
44.
and then add with previous sum.
54.
54. Are you getting or not? Now
Yes,
you
sir.
multiply naturally. Are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
Able to get? Finally,
Yes.
sum is kept in multiply CD.
Multi.
Then finally you are displaying product of entered matrices. You are displaying that. Like that you have to iterate. See, first row into first column. Row and column combination.
Yes,
That you
sir.
have done already. Then like that remaining also you have to do. You know the logic for matrix multiplication. First row elements you have to
Yes.
take and first column where you
First
take
column.
you have to add them
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that logic is applied. Then finally what is happening? You are displaying the resultant matrix. Whatever you are getting, that is displayed. That is displayed here. We'll check here. Wait, one time we will run this. I will take 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2. Conformable for multiplication now. Enter the elements of first matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. Second matrix, I will go reverse order. 4, 3, 2. Oh my god, what happened? Somewhere I went wrong. Cannot be multiplied because enter the number of rows and columns of second matrix. I got wrong now. That's
Okay.
why it's not accepted.
Yes.
See, 2 by 2, 4 by 3. They are not conformable for multiplication.
Yes.
Let me execute.
Not equal.
Yeah, 2 by 2. Yeah, enter the elements of first matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next matrix again 2 by 2. Yeah, now
2.
got. Now it is accepting the. Yes. Now this time I'll go reverse. 4, 3, 2. Sorry. 1. Now see, you got it or not? Got it? First row into first column, you know that. You have to add those elements also in between. Matrix multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Check that, check that.
Got.
Got it or not? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Like that it will be executed. So for this purpose, for your exam sake, you have to remember this formula. That is important. For
Okay.
loop is very simple. Always starting from 0 only. First time NQ are compared. Last time you should be careful here. P is compared with K. Just loops little,
Okay.
always starting from 0 only. C, D, K. Little observation should be there in that. So with this, shall I close for today? Tomorrow we'll go with more like transposes, upper triangular, lower triangular, and so
Yes.
many other programs we will do. Tomorrow I will close arrays also, most probably. Tomorrow we will do some tricky programs on tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Output questions like that we will do. Okay, fine. With this,
Yes.
I'm closing the session. Fine. తీసుకున్నాం